Hey guys, I have heard your cries. You want more small space organizing. So today we're making custom pipe shelves. You need no skill and only about $35. And I'm also sharing with you some of my favorite Dollar Tree products that look really high end. I hope you enjoy. This project was a long time in the making from Pottery Barn's website.
Wow.
We can totally DIY this.
For a single one is $79. We could do that easily for way cheaper.
So to the hardware store I went. You can get a 6-foot by 6-inch board for just $6. They'll cut it for you at the hardware store for free into about 24-inch pieces. Distress using a hammer, and my favorite stain is this dark walnut. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I seal with a polyacrylic finish for a beautiful and high-end look. Then all you have to do is decide where to put these gorgeous shelves. One $6 board, check.
Awesome decor, check.
To get that rustic look on a dime, I will put a link below to the cheapest place to get the hardware and all of the screws. You can do it for about $35 for 3 shelves. Let's get to it. On these 6-inch shelves, measure a 1/2 inch in by about 2.5 inches in. Make some quick markings and then add your screws. This is gonna look so good. Let's put it in. Next, place on your wall with a level and make marks where the holes are. Then you want to drill pilot holes and add your anchors. If you buy the kit I linked down below, it all comes with it. It really helps to have 2 people for this project, 1 person to hold the shelves and check with the level.
Oh,
perfect! This is going really fast. But my honest advice, never speak too soon. Shipwreck. You may run into some knots in the wood with your screws, but if you unscrew them and then try again, it usually goes through. I feel like this is one of those projects where I always thought, oh my goodness, I could never do anything like this. This is way outside my comfort zone. But once you get started, give yourself a chance. If you want to love a spot of your home, try it out. Try to do something outside of your comfort zone. Even if you have to use a screwdriver by hand and you don't feel comfortable with a power drill, you can totally do that too. We should have tightened this more. It's gonna be fine once it's on the wall.
yes.
All right, shall we? We did this super quickly and you can too. And one of my favorite tips is to use a Sharpie to cover up all of the shiny metallic screws. Stay tuned, let's do it. Once you've got your shelves installed, one of my favorite products are these Dollar Tree jars. They're perfect for Q-tips and makeup removers, especially if you're using shelves like this in a bathroom. But one of my favorite ways to style these shelves are for the kitchen. And I love the idea of making Rae Dunn products, and you can find the Rae Dunn font for free from DaFont. I'll be sure to link it down below to make these gorgeous mugs from Dollar Tree products. You could use a Sharpie or even your Cricut machine. And the sky's the limit for all you can label. So we made this little sign really quick with a piece of scrap wood. This bird is from Dollar Tree. This candle is from Dollar Tree. And you can go to the thrift store and find some things to dress up your shelf. This looks so good. I love styling as a coffee bar, and these acrylic water vases are so easy using a mixture from Walmart. Combined with Dollar Tree flowers for an elegant look, I have a whole video on this, which I will also be sure to link below. I also love the honey sticks and sugar and even the candle holders in these $1 containers. I hope you come to videos on this channel and think to yourself, wow, it's so easy, even I could do it. If you did, leave it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button because I want to see you soon. I'll catch you there. Bye. So this is what behind the scenes looks like. I'm editing the video and look, I have a helper. See, Carson has found his love behind the scenes of YouTube. He really likes being behind the camera with me and like working on editing. That's kind of his jam, isn't it?